Yeah, a little late to meet this train at the gate, but I will get him on the straightaway through Havana. He's got a little bit of speed compared to his normal slowpoke speed, so I'll catch him up the road. It's a nice day trying to catch the train. There's like over 1 million Christmas lights on that road there. It was on one of those Christmas light TV shows not too long ago. I'll see if I can get by there here in the nighttime. Check it out for you guys. And then over here to the left-hand side is more Christmas lights. Of course, you can't tell in the daytime, but it's the Christmas tree farm past the pecan trees there, where you can pick and cut your own Christmas tree if you so choose. They've got lights all over out there as well. There's Santa Claus. Alright, let's go catch this train. Well, here we are in Havana, pulling up to the train track now, and we had plenty of time to kill. That train's not going that fast. It's going faster than normal. But here's another shot of downtown Havana, Florida. This is the little shopping district here. Some shops, restaurants, vintage stores, antique collectibles, and all that. Just like most small towns. Alright, I'll see you when we see the train. Still waiting on the train. I decided I'd walk through the Planters Exchange. There's nobody here on this Monday. But normally they have a nice, farmer's market and people selling all kind of local merchandise and thrift type stuff. This is in Havana, Florida, the old tobacco capital of Florida back in the day, supposedly. You see the train track way back in the background. Ain't nothing happening yet. The old scales where the trucks with tobacco would pull up and get weighed. Hear the train in the background. There is a Havana mural. It's actually on two sides of that building. This is the back side of the town. I'm going to go back toward where the track. Yeah, Shade Tobacco Museum. So this was like the Shade Tobacco, whatever, capital of the South. About 50 degrees outside right now. It's a little bit overcast in certain areas because the sun is not really hitting me. That old ass Coke box right there. Looks like an old dipping cabinet or something. Let's look down this road. That's the thing about these small towns. They're only open certain times. This is almost like a little movie set here. And these are just big old Christmas cards. These aren't normally here. Little alley. Furniture, antiques, antique furniture, antique design. There's another coffee shop. Just a cool little place. The Painted Pineapple. And they still have a local newspaper serving Quincy, Midway, Havana, Chattahoochee, Greensboro, and Gretna. There's the train tracks there in the background. Hear a church bell or something, but no, it's not a church bell. That's one of them wind chimes. Big one. Kind of cold when those gusts of wind blow through. I think it'd be cool to live in one of them old buildings right downtown. Okay, let me go this way. Off the Rails Irish Pub. Wind chimes, jewelry, wine, home decor. A little bit of everything, I guess. Now he kind of crept up. I didn't hear him. Train through Havana. Slowing down again. Hey, if I don't see y'all, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that. See ya.